Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Lion channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make money online on Teespring, selling t-shirts and other products. If you want to know how, subscribe on channel and watch tutorial to the end. Teespring is a free platform that lets you create and sell over 15 kinds of products with no upfront cost or risk. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create your store, how to create product for selling and how to promote. Let's start. First, you can create your account for free. When you create your account, now I will show you how to create a t-shirts for selling. First, choose product which you want to sell. I choose a t-shirt. Choose one type of t-shirt and click Start Designing. Click on Add Image and add your design. You can preview, and if you don't like it, you can change the size. This is a perfect size for this t-shirt. Print quality is good. If you want to change color of this t-shirt, just click on plus and add some color, some different color. When you finish, just click on Done. Set your price. This is recommended price for this t-shirt, but you can change. I will leave this price. If you want to add some text, just click on Add Text. If you finish, click Continue. This is our first design. Now you can choose Other product. Now we will write title of our shop, of our design. And in the description, just type something, some cool sentence. I will check out keywords on keywords tool. Visibility, click on public. Add to existing store. Check out your existing store. I will click on digital line and click on publish listing. That's it. Our design, it's ready to selling. View in store. Top 3 ways to promote your products. Social media. Share your product on all social media. Ask your buyer to send your photo of your product or to tag you on their photos. Something like social proof. Make a limited edition and offer a discount. You can create a promo codes available for a limited time too. By adding a time limit on your promotion, you can create a sense of urgency and drive more sales within a shorter period of time. Second, Teespring integration. Instagram checkout. Google Shopping integration creates to get their product in front of millions of shoppers. Google Analytics is a powerful and free reporting tool that provides information regarding website visitors and their behavior. Email marketing. Teespring offers you the ability to email past customers directly within your account using the message tool. This allows you to grow buyers based on the product they've ordered and send them custom message up to 3 times per week. Share new design and product. Let's say thank customer. Share promotion codes, ask for photos, source new design ideas. If you don't have any existing customer to message or you've got an external email list from your channel, blog, website, you can find more email marketing tips and tools to try in the Teespring blog. One more trick, visit website placeit.com and get free mock-up for your t-shirt design or product. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe on channel, click on bell and share with friends. See you in the next tutorial.